Alright, working on the MaxJax lift, replacing the piston seal. It started leaking, so we're going to take it apart. I found this in my toolbox of all weird tools, but this is a coilover wrench that I just happened to find that fits this. So we're going to take this part off, I guess the cap or whatever. Just give it a couple of hard hits. Take this ring off. This is just the dust seal. And I don't know if it was the dust seal or the vent hole. I think it might have been coming out of this vent hole that it was leaking on me. Made a big puddle. But this is the seal here that I replaced already. This isn't a seal, it's just to prevent the piston from rubbing metal and metal on the outer tube. So this is just like a support piece. And then the seal here gets replaced. But putting this back in, we don't want to damage the new seal on the threads. So I just happen to have a plastic cup that I cut up to protect the seal from the threads. So we're just going to put that in. And then ATF on the new seal. If you want to damage it. And then you put it back in. Compress the seal. Sometimes new seals can be a little tight. Alright, let's stand it up. I'm just going to make sure any problems here. Just going to rock it around while pushing down. Maybe I went too far down. There we go. Look it around. Alright. This one will go down now. Try to get some grip on here. Oh yeah. Alright, went too far down. Don't want it to go inside this piston. Right. And as you can see down there, now we're good. So as long as we've got a good tight seal, now you can hear the air coming out. Give it a couple of taps with this, you know, on the ground, and that'll tighten it up. Because it wasn't that tight to begin with, so we don't need to make it super tight. Alright, that should do it. It's rebuilt now.